In this video, I'll guide you through how to change an e-transfer name in Cibc. If you've ever needed to update the name of a recipient in your banking app, you know it can sometimes be a bit confusing. But don't worry, I'm here to make it simple and straightforward for you. To begin, you'll need to log in to either the Cibc mobile banking app or Cibc online banking. You can choose whichever platform you're most comfortable with. Once you're logged in, look for the main menu. On mobile, it's typically in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to expand the options available to you. From the menu, you'll want to select Interac e-Transfer. This will take you to a section dedicated to managing your e-transfer activities. Scroll down until you see the option for Manage Recipients, or it might be labeled as Contacts. This is where you'll find the list of people you've previously sent e-transfers to. Now, find the recipient whose name you wish to change. Once you've located their entry, tap the pencil or edit icon next to their name. This will open up the editing interface, allowing you to make changes to the recipient's details. Carefully update the recipient's name. It's crucial to review the information before proceeding to ensure accuracy, as any errors could result in delayed or misdirected transfers. After you've made the necessary changes and double-checked everything, you're ready to finalize your update. To confirm the changes, tap Submit or Save. This action will update the recipient's information in your list, and you're all set. With just a few taps, you've successfully changed the e-transfer recipient name in Cibc. And that's how you change an e-transfer recipient name in Cibc. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you did, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips and tricks related to managing your finances efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.